Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Haines. I'm standing outside of this 5-bed, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage home here in Winter Springs. They are working hard to get it ready to show. I'll take you inside so you can have a look. This 2-story home is approximately 3,864 square feet. To the left you have your living room, and then you have your dining room. Right off the foyer at the entryway. There's a half bath downstairs. And to the left you have your kitchen. The appliances aren't in yet. You have your breakfast nook right off the lanai. The Cross Seminole Trail runs right through the community, and there are still a couple lots available with a pond view if that's something you like. Some of the amenities include a swimming pool and a cabana, and the HOA is only $110 a month. This would be your family room. You have nice high ceilings. And the master bedroom is downstairs. It's not quite complete. You have a nice garden tub and a walk-in closet. And as you can see, this is still in the process of getting it ready for showing. This would be your drop zone area to your garage. I'll go ahead and take you upstairs so you can see the loft. They're working on that as well, so I'll try to dodge the workers and stay out of the way the best I can. There is an inventory home available on this model, and the starting price is $582,795. You have all your bedrooms upstairs, so this would be your second bedroom and your third bedroom. And across the way you have a full-size bathroom. Your fourth bedroom connecting to your fifth bedroom with a Jack and Jill bathroom, double vanity, and a shower tub combo, and the last bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. You can get a glimpse of the loft. It's a great entertaining area. And then you have a beautiful view of the downstairs family room. My name is Amanda Haines. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. All of my information is above. So I will talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.